Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to transfer money from Desjardins. So let's follow this step by step guide. So starting with the first transfer is transfer to another person in Canada and trace transfer. So from the Desjardins mobile app Access D, open Access D Desjardins app and sign in, go to transfers or send money, select and track e-transfer and then choose the account you want to send money from, select contact recipient or tap add recipient, enter their name and email or phone number and then enter the amount. Optional, add a message to describe this transaction, and then if the recipient is not set up for auto deposit, create a security question plus answer, something they will know, review the details and tap send confirm. The recipient gets a notification and deposits the money or it auto deposits. From Access D on a computer, you can go to Access D and sign in, open transfers, choose enter e-transfer and then select sender account, pick add recipient and then enter amount and then add security question if needed, confirm and send. Good to know. There may be daily, weekly limits and sometimes fees depending on your account plan. Auto deposit is saved, no question needed. And then we have the second type of transactions, which is transfer between your own accounts. So sign in to Access D, go to transfer, choose between my accounts or similar, and then select the from account and the to account, enter the amount, confirm. This is usually instant. And then we have transfer to another bank account, not Desjardins. So you have two common options. Option A, use Interact e-transfer fastest for most people. Follow section 1 above. This works even if the recipient uses another bank. You only just need to select his bank. And we have option B, to link an external account if available in your Access D setup. Some people can add an external account to transfer, depends on your profile products. And then you sign in to Access D, go to transfers, look for external accounts and then add account. Follow the steps to link and verify the other bank account, may take a few days. Once linked, transfer like normal, choose the external account as the destination. If you don't see this option, e-transfer is usually the easiest alternative. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.